logo maker. So for that, go to your web browser and type in Wix logo maker, and then this window will appear. And now let's click on start now. Okay, it says to choose how you want to create your logo. We can create a logo ourselves. So click on this. Okay, now it says to start designing your logo. So you have to add the name of your business or organization. So let's enter. Okay, and if you have a tagline, you can add that. So I'm not adding anything here. Click on let's go. What's your logo for? You can write YouTube, and then you can choose from this, maybe this, I don't know. So you can click on next after that. And now it asks how should your logo look and feel. So let's choose some of these fun, playful. I think that's enough. Next, which of these logos do you like better? This one. You can even click I don't like either of them if you want. This one, this one, this one. Okay. Social media. Next. Okay, after that you will get a bunch of different choices. So you can choose from any of these. Maybe I'll choose this one, and you can customize it as per your choice. That's it for today. Bye.